I just came to see on Wonder Map a tornado which is somewhere near Raleigh, okay, and I gave out an alert on Dutch Sins, this page. I'll come back to that later, but just happened to see that near Goldsborough it says minus 18 degrees centigrade. So is it a mountain or something with snow on the top? How come it goes so quickly from 31 to minus 18? Perhaps this is a very silly question, but I'm English, so I don't know the topography. And I wanted to show you this this weird line going through the doppler, which is just southeast of Raleigh. There's a doppler here. So I go back on the usual map. Here we are. There you have a doppler. You go down into the centre of that doppler. In that circle you will see, you will find a doppler. You can zoom in and there if you want to. Maplewood. Somewhere there is a doppler. It's not always in the centre. Here we are, to the right. You look for the shadow. So there it is. It's old US Highway 70 West. So we've satisfied our curiosity. We can move out. Hailstorm, maximum hail size 2 inches. And here's my screenshot taken earlier on of the tornado vortex signature while it was still on the screen. Near Lewisburg, another strong storm coming behind. This is just north of Raleigh and just north of the centre of the doppler, with a long wavy line moving along in front of the two storms. What I wanted to show was, if I can get the map to move. Wonder Map is on strike. And this is what you've been waiting for. Coming out of Bethel, there's a huge ring, the doppler there. There we are, this is the doppler. Nunavangkan Kakslak Lake. Beautiful names. Makes you really want to travel. Come in too close now. Gorgeous. This is Bethel. All this. And the doppler is down here. Thunderstorm in Bethel County, 36 miles per hour. So I suppose these are the dopplers. Seem to have a tower here. Quitlook Airport. So it looks very, very artistic around here. To get back to my query on temperature, the minus 18 degrees that I was talking about at Walnut Creek, I've had a reply from N3 Anderthaler, and he says Wonder Map uses amateur stations for that and they don't always record. So minus 18 degrees is the lowest possible dew point. So if I switch this back on, we will now see that the temperature has come back to normal, 22 degrees. It was over Walnut Creek I was clicking. So mustn't worry about those minus 18 degrees. However, we can still worry about the doppler near Raleigh because it's absolutely huge, the return coming out of that. And look at those storms. The Dopplers are very active in the evening at night time. It's now 11:49 p.m. EDT. The Raleigh Doppler was in particular very spectacular during Hurricane Irene, and N3 underthaler called it the flying saucer anomaly. Very weird, moving red ring, and this was the Raleigh Doppler. So I do encourage you to go and watch that on N3 underthaler's very cool channel, Hurricane Irene Beams Analysis. So cheers and hang in there, folks.